Welcome to How to Ride JTA. In this episode, find out how to take your bike on a JTA bus. The First Coast is an ideal place for biking, and JTA can take you and your bike nearly anywhere you want to go. Our Bikes on Buses service is offered at no cost and no permit is required. Before we show you how to load your bike, let's go over a few safety tips. You are responsible for loading and unloading your bicycle onto the transport rack. No more than 2 bikes can be loaded on the rack at any one time. Racks are available on a first-come, first-served basis. If the rack is full, you will need to wait for the next bus to arrive. For safety reasons, bikes are not permitted on the inside of JTA buses. Children under the age of 12 must be under the supervision of an adult when loading or unloading bicycles. Only single-seat, 2-wheel bicycles are permitted on JTA bus racks. Motor-powered bikes are not permitted. Remove all loose items on your bike that could interfere with driver visibility, such as long poles or flags, as well as any attachments that could fall off during transport. Now let's take a look at how to load your bike on the bus. Please be sure to be off your bike when waiting at the bus stop. This ensures that the operator will recognize you as a passenger. As always, signal the bus, wait for the bus to come to a complete stop, and let the operator know you need to use the bike rack. Quickly and carefully load your bike onto the rack while other passengers continue to board the bus. If there is no other bike currently loaded, first lower the rack by using the handle. Squeeze the bar on the handle and gently lower the rack down. Place the front tire of your bike in the wheel well nearest the bus. Then lower the rear tire down. Each wheel slot is clearly labeled for front and rear tire. While keeping one hand on your bike for support, use the lever near the front wheel well to raise the grip into position and check that it is secure. If there is already a single bike loaded when the bus arrives, the rack will already be in the lowered position and you will need to use this second space for your bicycle. Follow the instruction labels on the rack to properly load the bike into the second set of wheel wells. Return to curbside after loading your bike and board the bus as a regular passenger. When you arrive at your destination, alert the operator that you are unloading your bike before you exit the bus. Always approach the rack from curbside to unload. To release your bike from the wheel grip, simply lower the lever that is securing the front wheel while you support the bike with your other hand. Lift the bike up and then lower it carefully to the ground. If your bike is the last one on the rack, please return the rack to its upright position. Signal to the operator that the rack is securely locked and you have completed the unloading process. Step to the curb with your bike and move away from the bus so it can safely depart from the stop. And that's all there is to it. We know you will enjoy using JTA's Bikes on Buses program. And don't forget to check out all our videos on how to ride JTA.